I'll be right back. Survive.
Huh?
Yeah.
Going to concrete. Okay.
What? Oh, yeah. On the right side? Yeah. Quote from
I
Thomas
moved.
Hobbes. Oh,
I
I was
moved the
saying,
mark. Is that where you want to go?
what, cement? Yeah, I was thinking. Yeah, Thomas Hobbes, one of the things he said was like, words are just currency for poor people. Yeah. Yeah, like total statist, authoritarianist. He was all about the hierarchy and so on and so forth. People, classist,
Yeah.
authoritarianist, statist. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. He was kind of like the one of the people that inspired Adolf Hitler. Yeah, yeah, that guy. Is that a film? Oh God. Fuck. It's. Oh man, that's so fucked. It's like it's like 4chan fucking supreme, but 4chan B, not like anonymous. Yeah, yeah, 4chan random.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I can appreciate anonymous, except for that one time that they, fingered the cop that shot that 14-year-old kid, but it was the wrong cop that they they released. Wasn't actually the cop that shot that kid,
Fucked up.
but yeah. Yeah, yeah, it was credible info, but still. Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, yeah. They did cover their asses. Not anonymous, the cops.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what they fucking do, man.
Fucking A, man. What happened? Oh, yeah.
They write it up the way they want the narrative to read.
Right, right, exactly.
Because they're corrupt.
Yeah, I definitely don't align with that at all. That's why I was like a little iffy about playing with that Equinox guy again, because he was, he's spouting off some fucking authoritarianist shit the other day. Fucking
Pretty right wing
telling,
shit.
yeah, like Oh, was it really? Yeah, yeah. And the way he like referred to people of color, he's like, "Oh, them black and shit." I'm like, "Yo, dude, you better chill the fuck out."
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Not to mention, yeah, yeah. It was suggestive, exactly. Not to mention, like he was saying about like how they should just send the army in to fucking shoot all the protesters.
Yeah, I heard him say that, and I was like, what?
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Not
what I
cool,
was
bro.
talking about. I'm like, yeah, why don't you ask this guy who was a former soldier what he thinks of that? And you're like, I'm gonna hold my tongue.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right,
Those are
dude.
the people that do it.
Are you trying to say
Yeah.
infrastructure?
Infrastructure? Are you saying info? Are you saying infrastructure?
That's what I heard him say. I was like, what?
Infrastructure. I'm sorry.
He said, shut up.
I got stuff. Who's using
Care,
sevens?
care to elaborate, or?
Oh yeah, I've got stuff to share.
I've got stuff. Does anybody need a 4X?
I just found one. I got an ACOG already. Yeah, I got an ACOG and a
Does
2x.
Does anyone need a sniper suppressor? Because I have 2 of them.
I have a sniper suppressor, so we all need sniper rifles.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm bucking up. Bugging out. Headed over here.
Marked a location.
I've got one. I could use the other one, I guess. I need
Yeah,
a.
I got a 4 scoop.
But I'm probably good with a 2 on my MP5. Only thing I'm lacking on this.
I need a red dot.
Yeah, I can give you a red dot. I've got one on my Scorpion. Yeah. I'm not even gonna
'Cause
need.
I got a hollow that I'm not too pumped on.
Yeah, I fucking hate hollows. Bison in here. Bison's pretty beast.
Fuck a bison.
I was just saying it. I did some work with it earlier. What was I giving to you? Right, the red dot.
Thanks, man.
Do you need Uzi stock?
No, I got a MP5.
Awesome. I'll keep an eye out for a tac stock. A
I got one.
telescopic. All right. There's another.
I need a sniper rifle.
Yeah. I got a 36. Oh, there's my suppressor. But I would.
You got AR suppressor?
Yeah, no, just the sniper suppressors and SMG.
I could use an SMG suppressor if you find another one.
I will give up this one here. And
Thanks,
this
bro.
2x. Out of dog. I got a compensator, so I can make use of that just fine.
I wish they would make the fucking.
We got feet on us. I'm pretty sure I just heard a foot in the snow.
I wish they would just make suppressors like universal.
Yeah, right? I mean, in the game, it would make. Yeah, we have feet on us. We got occupado. Wasn't acting like a bot. Only grab meds off him.
It would be dope to find a sniper rifle.
Yeah. At least I found a Glock. We could go to cave. Maybe we'll have better luck. Let's do that.
Yep,
Got
follow
another
me.
one on us. Oh, damn it. Why did I have to shoot him in the head, or was it you? He's got
It was
boost.
probably me. Probably me. I do dumb shit like that.
No, that's all good. Yeah, he had a 3 hat on. That's the only thing.
My bad. My bad.
Ah, now you're good. It would have been for one of us either way.
Flare going up at 290. Looks like it might be a
Yeah, I
ways
see
out.
that. And I think though it's probably over by. It looks to me like
Mount
Kresnik.
Kresnik.
Yeah. I'm headed to cave right now though, so let's go see if we can find some of these sniper rifles I've been looking for. Oh! Huh. That's probably.
Damn, I didn't even get the kill for that, and I dropped him. We got vehicles inbound. Looks to be an APC.
An APC.
Yeah, you gotta.
I don't have an eyes on it. Can you mark it?
I'm getting hit.
I mean, I'm basically at cave right now. Yeah, I can't even hear their shots.
They fucked up my 2 helmet. Yeah, I'm looking for this 2 helmet that I just saw. Fuck was
Marked a
it?
location.
I hear him. Yeah, I can go push. I'm gonna push him. Yes, stay in cover. I hear that APC.
Marked a location.
Yeah, the APC's right in front of me.
Marked a location.
Can't see him.
Marked a
but
location.
I just blew up that APC and almost killed this guy.
Marked a vehicle.
Yeah, there's only one in the APC as well.
Marked a location.
Don't see him yet. There you are. Fuck.
Enemies ahead.
I see him. I'm dead. I'm down. Can you pick me up? I don't know. This guy keeps fucking knocking me. I don't know fucking how. I keep hitting him, but I can't fucking hit. He can't. smoke me. About to die, Jink.
You good?
Yeah, about to be. Yeah. Whole fucking time. And we fucked them up too. Yeah. Disappointing. Rescue hat. Need that. Should I grab this gas can? Yeah.
I don't have one, so you might want to.
Yep. Yeah, I'm finding a new love for the bison.
Got a flare off to the northwest.
Yeah, Jinky, you did a great job there, man. You saved our asses. If you hadn't gotten that knocked, we would have been fucked. Oh, that's what I'm saying about the bison. It really holds shit down. I realized that the range for that thing is way more than it fucking claims it is. Yep. Yeah, and it's like, and you've got so much fucking ammo. You just like it doesn't. It almost like it doesn't stop shooting. It's so good.
Y'all get at?
Marked a location.
Alright, I'm just trying to get in the play zone.
Yeah. I'm basically in play zone. You guys didn't come up here. Damn, I need a sniper rifle so fucking bad. Tell me not. I just found a 3 hat and an 8 scope.
Did you?
Yes. I'm boosting up to full.
I just shot a guy at the box.
Did you? I didn't even.
Yeah, I was gonna say I had to find.
Oh, flare box. There's a car over there.
Yeah.
That box is on top of that car.
No, it's not.
No, it looks like it is to me. Maybe. Well, that one is the best out of it. Who's pop shotting? Alright.
Hey guys, I gotta go eat dinner.
Yeah, dude.
Marked a location.
They didn't fucking do anything in there. Busted vest.
All this stuff.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
Hang on.
I got a vehicle inbound on me.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
I just set him on fire. He's a little fucked up.
You guys might.
My vest is toast. Yeah, all right though. Dude, that was fucking great. Fucking hit. I need band-aids and a first aid kit. I'm gonna go hit those boxes while I have a chance because I need a vest. Feel you, dog. I gotta hit these boxes though. Maybe I'll have time. Come on. Oh, damn it. Yeah, I ran out of time. It's all right. No, yeah, I mean, you're totally screwed unless if you pull a miracle, which is just let everybody fight him out until it's the last two of you. All in all, it's been a really good round. Yeah, I see him. Don't do it. Yeah, that's better. Go right. Yeah, see, you should have gone right. Well, actually, that would have given him a better shot. Going left would have been better. Yeah, I can. He's gonna have dinner. He might come back. I'm gonna have a smoke real quick. Elf on the shelf. Oh, Alpha. Alpha. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And just give me a moment. Fire! Fire! Phosphoros! Serio! Who wants to join? Must be the money! Hey, give me a sec. I'm just trying to have a smoke real quick. I find fire. Fire! I'm sorry. Sorry.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Alright, let's see. Who else we got? I'm almost ready. Give me a moment, I'm just smoking. Alright. So, oh shit. Go. Is this working? No? There we go. Alright. What's my back?